Hello students, welcome in Advait Education channel. Today we are going to solve practice set 42. So let us start. Question number 1, complete the table below. Here one table is given in that radius, diameter and circumference is given and some fill in the blanks are there. Here you can find the diameter, circumference, here find the radius, circumference like that. First, radius is given 7 centimeter, diameter is not given. That's why D is equal to question mark. And circumference is also not given. C is equal to question mark. First we will find the diameter. Formula for diameter, D is equal to 2R. 2 into R means radius is given 7. 7 to the 14 means D is equal to 14 centimeter. Second, find the circumference. C is equal to pi D. Always remember the value of pi is 22 upon 7 into D. D is 14. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 40, 22 2 is 42. Sorry, 22 2 is 44. Means circumference is equal to 44 centimeter. You can write down the values here. D is equal to 14 centimeter and C is equal to 44 centimeter. Second, D is equal to 28 centimeter is given. You can find the value of R and C. For finding the value of R, we use the formula D is equal to 2R. D is given 28 is equal to 2R. Means 28 upon 2 is equal to R. Therefore, R is equal to 28 upon 2 means 14 centimeter. Second, find the C. C is equal to pi D. Value of pi is 22 upon 7. This value is fixed. And D is 28. Here 7 1 is 7. 7 4 is 28. Now 22 multiplied by 4. 22 multiplied by 4 means 88 centimeter. C is equal to 88 centimeter. Now next, third, C is equal to 616 centimeter. You can find the value of D and R. Here we will use the formula C is equal to pi D. Pi is 22 upon 7 into D and the value of C is given 616. See 616 multiplied by 22 upon 7, 7 upon 22 is equal to D. Now 22 ones are 22, 22 twos are 44. Now 17 means 176, 22 8s are 176 means 28 multiplied by 7 is equal to D. 28 multiplied by 7, their multiplication is 196 centimeter means the value of D is 196 centimeter. Second, find the value of C. Here we use the formula D is equal to 2R. The value of D is 196. अभी just हमने find out की है 2R. Means 196 upon 2 is equal to R. 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18, 2 eights are 16. Means R is equal to 98 centimeter. Now next, fourth question. C is equal to 72.6 centimeter and you can find the value of D and r means diameter and radius. C is equal to pi d. Value of C is 72.6 is equal to value of pi is 22 upon 7 into d. Now 72.6 multiply by 22 upon 7 का multiplicative inverse 7 upon 22 is equal to d. See here 22 ones are 22, 22 threes are 0.22 threes are means 3.3 multiplied by 7 is equal to d. 3.3 multiplied by 7 means their multiplication is 23.1 centimeter. Means the value of d is 23.1 centimeter. Now find the value of r. Again d is equal to 2r. d 23.1 is equal to 2r. Now 23.1 upon 2 is equal to r. Here 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, again 2 fives are. Means r is equal to 11.55 centimeter. And in the given table you can write down the all the values. जो वैल्यूज हमने कैलकुलेट की है वो फिर से हम टेबल बनाएंगे लास्ट में और वो सब वैल्यूज पुट करेंगे. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Question number 2. If the circumference of a circle is 176 centimeter, find its radius. First we will write down the given. What is given? Circumference is given. C is equal to 176 centimeter and R is equal to question mark. Here we use the formula C is equal to 2 pi R. ये formula हम use करेंगे क्योंकि हमें R की वैल्यू निकालनी है तो C is equal to 2 pi R. Value of C is 176 is equal to 2 into value of pi is 22 upon 7 into R. 176 ये 2 यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई है, यहाँ जाके डिवाइड हो जाएगा. मीन्स मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ 2 इज 1 अपॉन 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 22 अपॉन 7 मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स 7 अपॉन 22 is equal to R. Now see here 22 ones are 22, 22 8s are 176. Again here 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8. Means 4 into 7 is equal to R. 7 4s are 28. Means R is equal to 28 centimeter. Now write down here. Therefore, radius of circle is 28 centimeter.